Welcome to VIP Connect's tutorial. Using your control panel. Saving your voicemail password. On your My ABC, click Control Panel. If this is the first time you are on the control panel, make sure you read the emergency 911 notice before you click I have read, and understand the notice of limitations of E911. Once on the control panel, you will see a box beside VM password. Enter your 4-digit VM numeric password. Click Update and password will be saved. Identifying registered users. On the bottom of the VIP number tab, writes registered users. When you have 2 or more devices registered, error 104 will occur. Checking your WWC balance. On your control panel, click Plan Information tab. At the bottom, shows details of your WWC credits. Call forwarding. On your control panel, click Forwarding. By default, forwarding is set to normal ringing. Click sequentially and enter the number just like how you normally dial a number. Click Update and forwarding will be saved. For more tutorials, please visit us at www.vipconnects.com.